Makabongo Jehova osiholele odwendweni lokunqoba njalo. Hey, the consistency yaNkulunkulu. I always say uNkulunkulu is not a man that sleeps on duty. If I tell you about God, mina, he's not a man who falls asleep on duty. Let's Bible ku 2 Corinthians chapter 2 verse number 14. Awu makabongwe. Yabona nje namhlanje makabongwe uJehova osiholela njalo odwendweni lokunqoba. The English version ithi thanks be unto God who causes us to triumph always. The consistency. Ungasibuka nje sihlale sinqoba, then you wonder ukuthi benza ngani labantu. It's him, and that is why the praise has to go to him. Sizothi nje thanks be unto God who causes us to prosper always. Consistency. How often? Always. Thanks be unto our God. Yabona njengoba ngijayva nje right now, I'm thinking of that scripture. Say thanks be to our God who causes us to triumph always. Uyabona nje umuntu uyangena awevuka eyintweni and come out stronger on the other side esenqobile. Then you just wonder, no, it is this God. The consistency, guys, mina iyona into engimangazayo njengamanje ukuthi he causes us to triumph always. Always. Hi, God is not a man who sleeps on duty, my faith. No, he shows up. For some of us, it's the consistency that we see. Ukuthi manje uyangena esimeni uphinde uphume. Always. Always. I know, guys, we honor God. We honor him so much. He's the one. Yabona nje siloku sinqobile, it's him. It is truly him. And so thanks be unto him. Hayi siyambonga uNkulunkulu. Hayi siyambonga uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu akasenzeli phansi. Uyasenzela iqiniso. Usinqobela njalo. Ukhona umuntu ozomela nje ukuloke enayekela thina loke enqobela thina. That is our Father. Hey, that's why we seek for consistency when it comes to certain things. And when we see inconsistency, we wonder, ukuthi uzalwephi lo muntu? Uyamazi nje ubaba wethu. Oh, thanks be unto our God, who causes us to triumph. Uthi akagcini lapho, uthi uyasiza to diffuse the knowledge of Christ, the perfume of the knowledge of Christ. Uthi thina esiza neindaba ezimnandi, we help to diffuse the knowledge of Christ. Sithi nje siloku sibringa that awareness. It is him who causes us to conquer. Always. Shukuthi, when we are on the journey to diffuse that knowledge, obviously the obstacles are there, but he causes us to triumph always. Always.